Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last video, we have started to build a dashboard. For this, we have created all the worksheet and the KPIs that are required to build a dashboard. Now we will use all these worksheet and the KPIs to build our dashboard. Before starting this video, if you have not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for upcoming and interesting video. So without any further delay, let's get started. So in the last video, we have created all the worksheets that we will use in our dashboard. So if you have not watched the previous video, please check out the video to get the idea how we have created all these sheets. Okay, now let's adjust the size. So I already adjust the size to 1200 width and 800 height. You can adjust the size of the dashboard according to your convenient. Okay, so the idea is first we create a container for title, then we create container for KPIs each, then we create container for filters, and then we add our worksheets. Okay, so let's drag a container to add a background color. So just drag the container and add the background color, okay, for your dashboard. And now let's make it to floating and drag a container for title. Okay, let's drag title here. So how to add a sheet into container? Press the shift button and drag the sheet into container. Okay, now we have added our title. Let's add image as well into the container, and there are two options. You can add your local image, or you can provide a link to add image. So as of now I'm using image from my local storage and I'm using Tableau logo image. Okay, just open it and fit image and click on OK. Now adjust it. Yeah, so we get our image and our title. Okay, now we will add our container. Okay, so let's drag the container. Okay, so now we will drag here sales KPI. Let's hide its title and then drag sales KPI trend as well. Okay, hide its title as well and make it to entire view. Okay, then adjust it. So as we can see, we have added our first KPI, that is sales, and sales KPI trend. Okay, so we don't want its padding. Let's decrease its padding and same for KPI trend as well. Okay, now it looks much better, right? So let's add another container for profit. Okay, do the same process, add KPI, profit KPI, then add profit KPI trend, hide its title and make it to entire view. Okay, then adjust it and then remove its padding. Okay, so we have added two KPIs, one for sales, one for profit. Okay, now let's add one more container for orders. Let's drag our order, then drag order KPI trend, hide its title, and go for entire view and adjust the size. Okay, then go to layout and remove its padding. Same for trend as well. Okay, so now let's add our last container for customer. Okay, decrease its size. Let's drag customer, then drag our customer KPI trend. Do this same process. Okay, hide its title, hide its title as well, and go for entire view. Okay, go to layout, remove its padding. So we have created our KPIs, that is sales, profit, orders, and total customer. Let's do some formatting for these customers. Apply to Tableau medium to align it with others as, and let's add border for this dashboard, and let's add border for these as well. Okay, so select this container, go to border, select this container, go to this, add borders, go to this container, select this and add border, go to sales container, add border. Okay, so now let's add a line to our dashboard. So for this, let's drag a container and we will apply a small trick. We will decrease its size and we will add border for it. Okay, so now you can see line is added to our dashboard. So now let's add our sheets. So first we will add map, and we don't want its legend, so let's remove it. Okay, now let's add category, and now let's add top 5 customer with sales, make it to entire view, decrease its size as well, and now let's add top 5 product. We don't want its legend, so let's remove it, and Let's make it to entire view. Increase a little bit size. Okay, so we have added our worksheet as well. Let's do some formatting as well. Add border. Okay, so we have added borders. Now let's add one more line. Now we will use horizontal line. Drag it here, decrease its size. Okay, and add border. Let's decrease its size a little bit more. Yeah, perfect. So the line is added here. Now let's add our filter. To add our filter, first let's add a container here. Decrease its size and adjust it here. Okay, so as we know, we used to filter for all our worksheet. So click on any worksheet, go to filters and add our filters. Okay, so first we added our filter here, then just drag it in our container, go for drop down, and second one is our region, drag it here. So we added two filter, one is year and one is region. So if I want to see the data for west region and year I want is 2022, so now it's showing the sales is 258k, profit is 45k, total order place is 1112 and total customers are 397. Okay, and these are the states which are associated with west regions, and highest profit is for California and lowest profit is in Idaho. Okay, so but here we have selected top 5 region, but it's showing only 2 regions. So let's go to this sheet and add these sheets to context filter. Okay, so if you don't know what is context filter, so just go and check out the previous video where I explain what is context filter. I'll give you an overview. So what context filter do is it will create a temporary data set for region and year, then it will apply other filters. Okay, so we get top 5 filter based on these two. Okay, so if we change the, if suppose we want to see the data for east for 2022, so these are the top 5 customer for east for year of 2022, and these are the top 5 products. Okay, and New York has the highest sales 2022, and these are the category with subcategories with the sales. Okay, let's add. So how to download this dashboard in multiple ways. Okay, so for this, let me add one text to make it more interactive. Download increase its size and tableau medium and click on OK. Okay, now let's add our download and create a button. So let's create a button for PDF, change it to black and background should be white and click on OK. So one button is added for PDF. Let's add one more button for image. Okay, image, apply the same formatting, make it white and click on OK. Decrease its size little bit. Let's add one more for PowerPoint. Okay, give the title PowerPoint, make it to black, background should be white and click on OK. So we have added three options to download this performance tracker. One is PDF, second is image and third is point. Okay, so if you want to download by using this option, so if you are using Windows then you should click Alt plus click, and if you are using Mac then you should click option plus click. Okay, then it will ask you to paper size, entire workbook, active worksheet, and just click on OK. And same for emails, you can give the name and save into the format that these are available. Okay, png dot bmp dot svg or dot jpg. Okay, and same for PowerPoint as well, you can save it. Okay, so now let's add one more object, that is Tableau web page. And if you want to search about all about data, you can just go to this link and you will get to know about all about data. Okay, so if you want to add any URL, so you can add it here. Okay, so one thing I forgot to add in the dashboard is time period of sales from this date to this date. So let's add a time period, name the sheet time period, and let's drag order date and make it to minimum value. Let's drag order date again and make it to maximum value. Right, go to its value. Now let's add it. Let's do some formatting here. Copy this one, cut it from here, go here, paste. So if we want minimum to maximum, and date range from, then apply our Tableau medium, increase its size to 12. Okay, format has changed, so just add max, and now it looks same for both of these, and go for entire view. Okay, now let's add this in our dashboard. We don't want its title, then hide it, and Now it looks much better, right? So now we have added date range as well, right? We have KPIs, we have worksheet, we have filters, and how to download it. Okay, so let's see now how we can use this dashboard to fetch other data. Suppose a business user want to see the data for only for South region, and the data he want just for 2020. Okay, so you can just go for this filter and you can give the result. So total sales for 2020 is 71K, profit is 8K, and total order place is 340, and total customer that place order is 155. Okay, and these are the top 5 customers, these are the top 5 products, and per category sales. Once you hover on the category, you will get the sales between the subcategories, and you can find out which state gives us how much profit. Okay, so for South region in 2020, so Florida gives us maximum sales. Now let's publish the dashboard to the server. Because I already published a similar kind of dashboard on my Tableau public, so I just click on save, or either you can log into your Tableau public and publish it. Okay, yeah, so this is how you can build the dashboard and publish it on your Tableau public profile. Okay, thank you so much guys. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe, and from the next video I'm going to start advanced version of Tableau crash course, so stay tuned.